Is going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Porsche Cayenne key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to pull the battery out of it. Okay, so if you have another Porsche like Pan America or something like that that has the same key fob, it's going to be this one here. It's all going to be the same. Okay, this is pretty simple. You are going to need, or I'm going to recommend you getting a little flathead screwdriver to do this, because what we're going to do first is we're going to remove these side panels of the key fob here. Okay, it actually doesn't come apart like you would think. What you want to do is just get your flathead screwdriver, and right at the bottom of the, or this is actually at the top of the remote, so we're going to go in to this corner here and just push the screwdriver in just a little bit like that. I'm going to pry up just a little bit and the cover will come right off. Okay, you can see there's a little clip right here. There are two ways of doing this. This is just how I do it. All right, so we're going to take both sides off. This is super easy. The little panels, they're not on there very tight at all. And we just pull it off like that. All right. Now, once you have it off, we're going to take the emergency key out. And all we got to do is just use our thumb and just slide the emergency key out. And this is where the battery is located. All right. Now, you can try to use this flathead screwdriver, and what we're going to do is turn this counterclockwise to take this little cap off. But you can just use your fingers if you're strong enough to go in here like this, turn it counterclockwise like that. Okay, and the screwdriver to help me take this off like that. And here's our battery. I'm gonna pull the battery right out without dropping it. I'm in the car, so I really don't want to drop this. I do have a little magnet here to help me out, and I'll show you what size the battery is. The new battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. It just goes in, lays in here like this, nice and loose. Let me get the cap, stick it back on here just like we took it off, and we are going to need to turn it to lock it back in. So we're going to use fingers again, turn it like this, get this lined up. See this channel here, this is for the emergency key. Go ahead and stick this back in here like so. All right, now if you need a battery, there will be a link down below that takes you to Amazon. If you need to get a battery, they're like $1.25, so check that out if you need one. We just get our little side caps, side pieces, and we just snap them back on. Find my other one, snap it back on, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you let me know in the comment section below. And leave me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in another video.